Put this in yesterday at my school for a power flame class. Got it all set up. I should have made a video on that yesterday, like tweaking gas pressures. And how to set your air intake for combustion. It's the gas line, supply and return. And these are just quick connect hoses because, like I said, it is at a school. Of course, we got the combustion analyzer to set the low and high gas pressure for BTUs. Yeah, this is the school out here. Union School, steam fitters. Got chillers. Here's the same exact boiler, but it's steam instead of hot water. And you can also it's also set up for oil. That's the oil filter there. Yeah, pretty great. We got this all set up yesterday, fine-tuned, worked great. Fixed a couple gas leaks. I know I haven't posted in a while. I was thinking yesterday, man, I should have really made a video showing how to do all this, but